Okay guys, finally 2 months and a half waiting, fighting, talking to the factory, do this, do that, make it better, fix the kinks. Guess what's in the box? T10 version 2. This time I'm gonna approach another way to do my videos, because I want you to have the full experience of unpacking, how it comes. You know me, I'm transparent as I can be. So this is, I just got it, by the way. It was supposed to be yesterday, Monday, as per UPS, but as you know guys, everything happening around the world, it's kind of tough to control shipping, especially nowadays when we have a lot of bumps along the ride, the shipping. So this is the T10 version 2. I was told I'm gonna receive 360 view with cameras. Remember guys, I'm opening it with you, so I don't know what's in it and what I received. Those are the price. I have like probably 3 zillion of them. These are the RCA covers. Some of you receive it, some of you not. I mean, I have them, I don't even use them. I use tape, like electric tape, does the job, but these are nice to have if the factory keeps it consistent, which was one of the main reasons why there was no stock. Bunch of harnesses. And the famous T10 guys, version 2. So that's the box. The foam is thick enough to not break the screen. Every video I do, I mention it. This is the 360 view camera. So we have a bunch of harnesses over here. Same situation with the first version T10. The SIM card, RCAs, video in. We'll go on details on the install video. This is just an unboxing telling you that I did get the version 2 T10. As you see, I'm working, this is my garage. I'm working on a foamy material. Like I use this in my garage to put my feet on while watching TV. So that's my garage. Probably many of you know it. Sorry for the shoes, wife and kids. So that's the main harness. Which connects to the back. That's the camera harness. Single female, famous single female yellow RCA. External mic. Microphone goes there, 3.5mm jack. Camera, OEM USB, apologies. Looks like another USB the 6-pin with dual USB. .3 antenna. Well, not anymore 3 but like the 4G, 5G, or 3G, whatever you want to call it, antenna SIM. GPS antenna. Looks like a switch for the camera and the canvas. Oh, wait. No. This is, if I'm not mistaken, this is the 2020 hazard switch plastic, because it's different. We'll talk about it later on. So that's the canvas. Again, guys, remember, receiving the package, opening it with you. Now, is our wait time worth it? So guys, this is important. When you install it, use this. That's what I do. Well, I tell you to do. Put it like that, and then work on it so that you don't break the screen. So looks like I received the 432, which doesn't make sense. I don't know what's inside. It could be wrong, but again, I may be wrong. I'm opening this with you. That's a T10 CarPlay 360 4G. Wi-Fi, GPS, antenna. No idea what the SPDIF does. Nobody used it ever. I think one guy asked me once for the SPDIF, and then the regular stuff, main harness, goes there. So that's it, guys. Version 2. There you go. How do you like it? Not bad. Not bad as a first impression. Looks like the trim has been fixed. Guys, looks like it's clean. Way cleaner than before. Buttons are good. So that's the T10 version 2. I'm gonna first of all test it out. I'm gonna install it without the 360 view because it takes time. I don't have time to do that now. The install video is gonna be later on. Now this is just an unboxing and then breaking the news that basically it's ready. And tonight I'll announce in my groups, specifically the 4Runner and the Headunit group, that when is it gonna be available, or how much stock we have for the people that are waiting. Guys, there's a lot of demand. For the probably 15th or 20th time, this Headunit is the best you can get for the price, for what it does on the market, including support. It's a package. It's a full package deal. I feel that they have fixed the screen because I shut down sales totally for 2.5 months. The screen is fixed. It's totally different. I'm zooming in, and whoever knows. You see how it is. It's totally different than the previous T10. I think it has the same knobs. Those are clickable buttons. They don't click. Soft buttons if you want. Apps, phone, track. Same thing here. I'm gonna install it quickly. I don't know if it's the same. It should be the same harness. Maybe I'll plug it in the truck and then power it up and then continue you know, my review or the unboxing. But there you go, guys. Version 2. I'm not gonna do this video for long. This is only to break the news that it's out. Finally, it's received, and more to come soon. Stay tuned. Sign up. Subscribe to my YouTube, because usually I announce in the groups and then update the descriptions in all my videos. All my videos have updated descriptions, so make sure that you're signed up so that you don't miss anything. Thank you, guys. Thanks for your patience. And finally, the long-awaited version 2 T10 is out. Don't mistake this with any head unit. One of the best head units. Nothing can beat it. Full stop. See you guys there.